Hello everyone, I am Shubhangi Verurkar. Welcome to all of you in my channel Learning with Joy, and in today's video we are going to see how to do addition up to 16-bit number using emulator 8086 by immediate and direct addressing mode. So for it, first I will explain you a program and then we will execute that program through emulator 8086. So addition up to 16-bit number using 8086 microprocessor, and program we are going to do here, first one, that is addition up to 16-bit number using immediate addressing mode. As we know that in immediate addressing mode, the number on which we have to do operation, that number immediately given in an instruction. So here you can see that the number like 333 is given in a program itself. So after execution of this instruction, content of register AX will be 33H, and it's very essential to mention in front of it H. If you are not writing H, then that number is accepted as a decimal and that it will get auto converted into hexadecimal. So it's very essential to mention that number is in a hexadecimal. Then we have initialized register BX with another number, that is a 4444 AH. Any number you can initialize. So here after execution of this instruction, content of register BX will be 4444H. Then the operation, that is AX comma BA, add AX comma BX, it means content of register BX is added to content of register AX. So here operation will be carried out and result of operation will become 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 4 7. So result will become 777 in hexadecimal. Okay, after this instruction we are transferring the data move si comma ax. It means that here earlier we have initialized this si, that is a source index register. So suppose I will initialize it in code, that is si with a 2000. This I will tell you how I will initialize. Okay, so the meaning of it is that on memory location si, this content of X register will be transferred. So after execution of this instruction, this memory location 2000 will be updated with the content 777H. Okay, so clear. So if I want to explain it in a more detail, then I can show that suppose this is a memory location 2000 and 2001. So after execution of this instruction, content of 2000 will be lower byte 77 and content of this will be the higher byte 77. So this will get reflected. Okay, so related to this we will see a programming. So in a previous video only we have done with a download and installation of 8086. Now we will start with the coding of emulator 8086. So to do it, this window will get open. Now click here on a new. Once you click on a new, click on the third option, that is a bin template. So once you click on a third option, bin template, you people are getting some registers which are available and initialized with a default memory address, like code segment is initialized with 500H, IP with 00, then DS with 500, ES with 500, AX SIDA with this memory location. So now I am initializing SI with the memory location 2000. Now here what we are going to do, here we can write a title to our code. Any comment you want to put, that you can put after semicolon. So here I am giving comment addition of 2 16-bit numbers using immediate addressing mode. Okay, so just write move x comma 333h, move bx comma 444h, add x comma bx, move si comma x, done. And last instruction halt to stop your code. So these two numbers are added and result of operation will present in x, and then result of operation will be transferred at a memory location si. Si is initialized with a 2000 memory location. So to emulate this code, click on this green icon. If code is perfect, then it will get emulated. Here you are having a two option: run this code by a single steps or run this code at a time. Okay, so what we are going to do here you can see that the registers which are initialized with a default value ax, bx, cx, then csip, then here SIDI, all those are initialized with a default value. We have initialized SI register with a 2000. Okay, so we will do stepwise execution. X comma 333, so in register this data has been transferred. In register bx 444 data is transferred. Then add x comma bx, result of operation is present in x. Then content of x will be moved to a memory location, content present in SI register, so at 2000 memory location. Then we will stop with the code. Okay, so this is done. Now you can see that result of operation is present in AX register. Along with it, we have transferred result at a memory location 2000 by SI register. So for it, just click on a view option, click on a memory. Here we will update location with 2000 and click on update. So you people can see that result is present here. Okay, so here what we people did, we have stored content here. Okay, so now we are going to do addition of 16-bit number using direct addressing mode. And in this direct addressing mode, what we have done, move x comma bracket 4000. It means that the number given in this bracket is a memory location, not a number. Then move bx comma 4002. So at memory location 4002, whatever data is present, that will be transferred into register bx. Now do addition of x comma bx. So content present in register bx will added with the content present in register ax, and result of operation will present in ax register. Then whatever result of operation is present in ax register, transfer that content onto a memory location which is specified by SI register. This bracket and inside a bracket SI indicate that register in direct addressing mode. Okay, so in brief I will tell you. This is a memory map for direct addressing mode. So on memory location 4000 and specify it with a edge. So 4000, 4001, 4002 and 4003. And result of operation we will save at memory location 4006 and 4007. Okay, so suppose our number present here are 33 in a lower byte, 22 in a higher byte, 44 in a lower byte, and 55 in a higher byte. Instead of 55 I am writing 66 because 8 and 0 look same there, so 66. So how it is your number? Your number in AX is 2233. 22 is a higher byte, 33 is a lower byte. Number in a BX is 66 and 44. Perform addition of these two number. That is what we are getting here, operation of this number. So 22 is a higher byte, 66 is a higher byte. So operation of this number we are getting result of operation 7788. Any you can take, just sample I have taken. So now we will do for this coding. Okay, and after at the end we are having halt instructions to stop your program. So we will stop. Okay, we will start with emulator. Click on new, click on bin template. Here you will get initialize segment register, which we have seen already. Default initialization. Here segment register I am initializing with a memory location 4006. Why? Because there we are going to move our result in 4006. Correct. So now here we are going to write a code. We can add here code. Addition of 16-bit. By direct memory. Addressing mode. Okay. Now we will write code move x, 4000. Put h. Then only it will be considered as hexadecimal. Move bx, 4002 h. Add x, bx. Move si, x. Done. So content on present at memory location 4000 is moved into x. Content present on 4002 memory location moved into bx. Add content of bx to x and transfer result of operation x to a memory location present in si, which is a 4006. Done. So to emulate, click on this green symbol. Emulate. If code is perfect, it will run like this. Now what we have to do? We have to initialize, store the data on memory location 4000 and 4002. So click on view, click on memory, right here 4000. Click on update, right here data, lower byte 22, 33 I think, lower byte 44, 5 I will put. Okay, no issue. There I have given 66. We people can give 6688, whatever data you want to give. Update it. Once you update, close this and click on a single step. So you can see that content of AX register now 3322, content of BX register 5544. Result of operation will be transferred into SI register memory address 4006. Stop a code. Okay, so done. So now we will check a result of operation which is present at 4006. So we will start with 4000 only. So memory, give here memory location 4000, update it. So it should be updated. Actually result present here 8866. Move si, ax. SI is initialized with 4006. So we will directly write, wait, that was 4000B. Update. So you can see that content present here, that is a 22, then 3344. So result of operation is here 6688. Okay, so if you want to update a result, if we are writing here 33333333, so result will come 6666. We will update. Done. Once updating, click here on full program run at a time. So you can see that result of operation will be updated. That is what, 33 then 66. Okay, so once you run a code at a time, you will see the direct result. Now to view the result in memory, click here on a memory, click here 4000 and click on update. So you will see that 333 in AX register, 333 in a BX register. So result of operation is 666. Content of AX present at memory location SI, that is a 4006. So clear? So I hope that you people understood how to do programming in 8086 emulator by using immediate and direct addressing mode. So subscribe to our channel to get aware about more videos. Thank you very much.